Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can connect Shopify with AliExpress. Now this is an easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you, like I said, everything you need to know about how you can connect Shopify with AliExpress, how you can import products, every single thing. Okay, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to go to your own Shopify store. This is my new Shopify store for just this video. So the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on apps and sales channels, and then you want to click on Shopify App Store. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, to connect AliExpress to Shopify is to download an app. It's called Deezers. Okay, this app, guys, helps you guys connect Shopify to AliExpress. Okay, this is the name of the app. It's called Deezers. I'm going to search for it right now. Okay, you need to search for Deezers, as you can see. After you search, guys, for Deezers, this is the app that we are going to use to connect AliExpress to Shopify. It's called Deezers AliExpress Dropshipping. Click on that. This is the logo of the app. Make sure the developer name is Deezers, as you can see here. Now you want to click on install. Okay, after, guys, you click on install, you want to click again on install app in the top right. Okay, guys, it will take you guys directly to Deezers website. Now what you guys need now is to create an account on Deezers. Because I already made an account, it says here my Shopify email address has been used to create Deezers account. So for example, I want to change account. I'm going to, for example, log in. I'm going to create an account. It says here don't have an account. I'm going to create account, and I'm going to use a different email. So after you create, guys, an account on Deezers, what you guys need to do next is you need to start connecting AliExpress to Shopify. Okay, you want to click on confirm. Now after that, guys, you wanna then start. Now it says here free, the basic plan. I'm going to start with the basic plan. You don't really need an advanced plan or pro. The free one is enough. Click on get started, and what you guys need to do next is you want to click here on AliExpress. Now what you are going to do is to connect AliExpress. Now you want to click on AliExpress, and it will take you guys directly to AliExpress. Here you want to enter your AliExpress account, guys, to enter your email address, your AliExpress email address, and the password. Okay, and click sign in so that you can connect, guys, AliExpress. So as you can see, I have successfully connected Deezers to AliExpress. Now I can start importing products from AliExpress to Shopify. So just click on this again. And then you want to click on here, home, okay, in the top left. And then you want to click on Chrome extension. Now this extension is really important. You need to add it to your Chrome. Click on add to Chrome, and then click on add extension. Now after you add the extension, guys, you want to pin it in the top. You want to click here where it says extensions, and you want to click on this pencil, guys. And then you want to click on the extension, and then you want to click on, after you click, guys, on extension, it says here, please log in to Deezers and try again. You want to click on Deezers, and you want to just need to log in, guys, again, so that the extension will be able to dictate that you have already an account on Deezers. Now as you can see, the extension, it says here, please go to AliExpress to import products. Your imported products will go to the import list on Deezers. Now what you guys need now, you have successfully connected AliExpress to Shopify. Now you just need to go to AliExpress and find any products, and you can import these products to your Shopify. Now for example, if you want to import a product like this, for example, this product, what you need guys to import this product, you just need to click on add to Deezers. As you can see now, the reason why you downloaded this extension is it helps you guys, it displays this option so that you can add the product from AliExpress to Deezers. Now you want to click on add to Deezers. It says here importing AliExpress product import success. Now you just need to go to Deezers, your Deezers account, and click on import list here. and you will be able, guys, to find that exact product. As you can see now, you just need to click on this push to store, and it will be imported directly to your Shopify store. Okay, now for example, before you push it, if you want to edit something, you can do that. Just click on these three little dots, and you can like shipping info, apply tags, whatever. But I always like to do that on Shopify. Just click on push to Shopify, and then as you can see, it says here also published to an online store, continuous selling when out of stock. Okay, and then you want to click now on push to stores. Now you want to go to your own Shopify store, which I have created just a few seconds ago. Okay, Shopify. I have multiple accounts. I'm going to choose this one and see if the product is imported to this. Okay, I'm going to select another one. Okay, the product is successfully imported to Shopify. Now what you guys need to do now is to customize the product. Okay, you just need to like change the price, you know, make it higher because you still you are paying for advertising. Okay, you need to like customize the like everything here. For example, you need to change something here. The title, you need to make it unique because AliExpress titles are known to have a lot of mistakes because people from AliExpress are from like Chinese. They don't know English. So you need to make it really good so that people will purchase from you on Shopify. Okay, now after that, guys, after someone purchases from you, then you can make Deezers do everything for you. They will ship the product, they will add the tracking number, they will do everything automatically. Now to learn exactly how you can do that on Deezers, all you have to do, guys, you want to click the video on the screen, and that video will show you how you can make Deezers ship the products automatically to the customers on Shopify. Okay, now the product is imported to another Shopify account, by the way. Now, guys, this is not the exact product, but it's imported to my other Shopify accounts. Okay, now for you, you will find the exact product that you have imported from AliExpress. Okay, I hope, guys, you understand me. If this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. I reply to everyone. Just let me know in the comments. See you guys next video.